It's Pete from Cheap Homesteading, and a friend of mine dropped off his saw, and he said even if I sharpen it really, really well, it is not cutting at all. So we're going to give this a try and see what the problem is. Wow, that thing starts dandy, eh? This thing does not cut good at all, and you can tell that it's clearly sharp, but the issue is it's been sharpened and sharpened, but they haven't taken down the rakers. You can tell they're original. They haven't been cut down at all. So every time you sharpen, the tooth gets lower, and so the raker stops it from cutting. So if I really push into it, it will cut, but it doesn't cut good. And this is cedar. This stuff's easy to cut. So basically this chain is in actually really good shape, but the rakers need to be adjusted. But what I'm going to try is I'm going to try the Stihl sharpening system right from square one. We know the rakers are too high. I'm going to go sharpen the chain again, and we're going to see if it cuts good. So we're going to give this a try. Okay, so what I'm going to do is solely sharpen it with the Stihl chain sharpener, and we're going to see how well it does. I'm not going to do anything else. I'm not going to go back and grind down the rakers. We're just going to sharpen it one more time with this and see how well it cuts. You can actually feel it stop cutting the raker. At first, okay, so it is sharpened now, and I didn't spend a ton of time with it, and we're going to see how well it cuts. I think what happened was they're filing it by hand, and they weren't cutting down the rakers. So if you looked at the teeth, they're a much steeper and inconsistent angle. And I forgot to take a video of it just so you could take a look. But it definitely was not 30 degrees or whatever, and they weren't consistent. So that could be why it still pulls a little bit. But man, that Stihl chain sharpening system is incredible, and it's actually growing on me. There isn't too many people complaining about it on YouTube because it's a good chain sharpener for sure. So you guys have a good one.